Hello everyone, welcome back to Python 101. And today we're going to be on week 8, part 2. Alright, so today we're going to talk about name and double underscore name and double underscore main. An often confusing part of Python is this mysterious line of code. If double underscore name equals quotation marks double underscore main and then do something. Sometimes when you are importing from a module, you would like to know whether a module function is being used as an import or if you are using the original .py file of that module. So let's check this some more. Let's go to the IDE program. First, we're going to save this onto our computer so it doesn't get lost. I'm going to go to desktop and I'm going to desktop and then downloads. Okay, so now I'm going to name it. What should I name it? 1.py. All right, so first and then I'm going to check if it's a .py file. And let's see, downloads. Properties. Let's see, I'm going to rename them. Rename. All right, it should be a .py file. And let's create another one. So this button, and then here we're gonna save as. We're gonna go to py. Where's py? Python, and then it's gonna be called 2.py. 2. All right, so we have 1.py and 2.py. So basically in Python, anything with no indentation level, so just like this. So anything with no indentation level will be run automatically. So you don't really need to do anything. But if there's an indent and then you do something, something other has to happen. Unlike other languages in Python, there is no main function that you call somewhere at the top of your script that gets run automatically. Instead, implicitly, code with indentation level 0 will be run when the script file is called. So in Python, there's a built-in variable called name. Just like built-in functions, this is a built-in variable. It's quite obvious it's built in because there are two sets of double underscores at the beginning and end. So like I said, it's like this. This variable gets assigned a string depending on how you are running the actual script. If I went to the command line and typed python1.py, it would assign name equals main in the background. So basically this. It would basically assign this in the background. People write if name equals main at the end of their thing. So this. And then they do that. They do that at the end of their code to execute what they want. Because name equals main will always be true, you know someone will execute a block of code if they put it under the if condition. With this, we can see if someone or something has been imported or run directly. So let's try it. And this because this is the second time I'm using the Notebook++, I don't feel very comfortable with the white version. So next time if you see me, it might be dark mode. So it's not something wrong with my computer. It's just I can choose to change it into dark mode. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put that at the bottom, and we're gonna define a function, and we're gonna. The bad thing about this notebook is that it doesn't indent it for you. If you forget to indent it, it gets really annoying. So what we're gonna define is when we call the function, it's gonna say func in one.py, pu, and then we're gonna print top level in one dot py. And now we're gonna use this if name thing, and we're gonna type print one dot py is being run directly, and we're gonna, to make it really clear, we're gonna, oops, this is malindented, we're gonna make else, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna print one.py is being imported. So this can really show the difference. We're gonna Control S. So onto 2.py, and on 2.py we're gonna import one, and we're gonna print top level in 2.py. I'm not sure if I stopped sharing or not because I was using shift. I was capitalizing all my things. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do one.func. And now we're gonna do the if. I'm just gonna copy and paste because this takes a long time to just. All right, so here now this isn't one. This is gonna be two, and this is also 2.py. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna save this, and we're gonna go to CMD. We're gonna go to command prompt, and let me share it. Command prompt. So here I am, and we're gonna go to CD download. So here we're in downloads, and I'm gonna do I'm gonna set up the Python, and I'm gonna do one.py. Ooh, I forgot to put the second. Oh, and one thing that you can't forget is that you need to put the two things in there. I'm gonna try that again. Python one.py. Okay, so here now it says top level in one.py. One.py is being run directly. So remember here we wrote it's being run directly. It's gonna tell you if it's being run directly. And So we can see that it is being run directly because it's 1.py. But if I do Python 2.py, it says top level in 1.py. 1.py is being imported. It's not being run directly anymore. And top level in 2.py, but 2.py is being run directly here. But because remember we wrote import 1. Here we wrote import 1, so it's going to import. So I hope you guys found this lesson interesting, and I'll see you guys next week. Have a good week.